How to construct a fader disk item. In the first video, Preparations, we were showing how to create a new disk item application window. In this video, I would like to show you how to construct a fader disk item. We will construct a new fader disk item child right on top of the disk item application window. Go to Edit, Add New Disk Item, and choose New Human Fader Disk Item and place a fader disk item container somewhere on the application window. An orange frame should be around that container, and human fader disk item properties are shown on the right side of the editor. If you cannot see the fader disk item properties and the orange frame, then the disk item is not selected. Please click into the fader disk item container to select it. First, let us name the disk item. Let us call it Test Fader 1. The next step should be to assign bitmaps. We call them skin images to the disk item. The disk items share a common library of skin images. So, if several identical faders are shown on the screen using the same bitmap, make sure that this bitmap uses the same name so it would be shared between them. That helps to limit the size of the required resources. If you copy and paste a fader with a GUI editor, it will of course automatically share all its bitmaps. Please click on the little plus left of the disk item skin images and open the properties of this section. Now click on the Load Back Image button. The Image Properties window opens. This window shows the actual skin image and its location on the local PC. Because we have not loaded any image in here before, it will say Image not loaded. Click on Load Picture and go to your Unos Creator folder. Within there, go into your Images folder and click on Fader Back PNG. You will see the fader's background as an image in the Image Properties window. Now just click Close and you will see it in the fader disk item container. Do the same for Fader Track PNG for the track image and Fader Button PNG for the thumb image. Now click on the Preview UI tab and you can already see the fader in action. The next step would be to connect the fader to the actual parameter. To do that, you need to know the parameter, which in fact is not much of a problem within Unos because all our parameters are just descriptions of the parameter's location and its function. However, because you are new to Unos, for now just follow my guide. We want to create a channel input fader for our device. So I choose the only available subnet as well as my device's IP address to choose my device. Now on the left side I can see the available parameters. From there I choose input signal, audio, input channel 1, digital gain, then the 1. Now we choose level gain and again the 1. We have now successfully connected the fader to this parameter input channel 1 and can now test it. Clicking Preview UI again shows us the connected fader hot plugged into the network. If you want, you can run the media player and move the fader and you can hear it. Adding a right channel fader now requires only a copy-paste action, a change of the name to Test Fader 2, and a change of the parameter channel from 1 to 2. The channel number, we call it section number, is always on level 3 in the hierarchy. So change that from 1 to 2 and you are done. You have now 2 channel faders that control the device's input. In this exercise, we have used skin images that perfectly fit the fader disk item. If you use other skin images, you might need to adjust some of the parameters. Let me give you a short explanation of the properties. The disk item placement property shows you the X and Y coordinates of its location relative to the application window. It will later move when the application window is moved, and with width and height the actual size of the fader desk item container. You can change all four values either by clicking and dragging or by entering a value in the appropriate fields. The fader track, X and Y, defines the position of the topmost leftmost pixel of the track's skin image. The fader thumb properties are to set the fader knob properly on the desk item and to describe from where to where it runs. Mouse jump X offset offsets the thumb needle horizontal. In order to determine where the thumb needle is relative to the thumb bitmap, go to Preview UI and click on the fader thumb. The mouse will jump to the X coordinate of the thumb needle and reveal its location. Thumb X. Thumb X sets the X offset for the fader thumb. Thumb needle offset describes the Y offset of the actual fader needle on the bitmap. The fader needle is the part of the bitmap that shows the value. In UNOS, this needle could even be outside the thumb bitmap borders. Thumb needle range length is the distance between the needle when the value is 0% to the position of the needle when the value is 100%. Last but not least, thumb needle range offset is the Y offset of the needle range from the top of the fader desk item. This is the end of the how to construct a fader desk item video. Stay tuned for the next video, how to construct a button.